K&N race door. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Just waiting for 2 more parts to come through the post. As soon as I get here, the bike's going on a mean streak. Don't know if you can see this time, but if you can notice, just under there it says Retinal. Here, Professional Retinal. Unfortunately, the blue one, it's well, it's in the shed, and it's being sold. So, anyone wants it, rush for it.